Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the inside scoop on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the best 13 by 656 lawnmower tire on the market, the Rotary number 5945 lawnmower tire. If you're looking to give your lawnmower the best upgrade, you're in the right place. This turf-saver tread tire from Rotary, branded with the trusted Carlisle name, is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining a well-manicured lawn. First off, let's talk about the size. This tire is designed to fit a 6-inch rim, and with a 2-ply rating, it's built to handle the rigors of frequent mowing on different terrains. Whether you're navigating smooth grass or uneven ground, the 13 by 650 size ensures a perfect balance of stability and maneuverability. It offers just the right amount of traction, so you don't have to worry about slipping or getting stuck while cutting your lawn. What sets the Rotary number 5945 tire apart is its durable tubeless construction. With a tubeless design, you don't have to worry about the hassle of dealing with punctures and replacing tubes. It's a simple, hassle-free solution that saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on the task at hand: mowing your lawn. The Turf Saver Tread is specifically designed to minimize damage to your lawn while still providing excellent grip. If you're concerned about leaving behind tire tracks or causing unnecessary damage to delicate grass, this tire will put your mind at ease. It's ideal for maintaining the aesthetic of your yard while ensuring a smooth, even cut. Weighing in at just 6.28 pounds, this tire is relatively lightweight, making it easy to install and maintain. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to replace their old, worn-out lawnmower tires or for those who want to upgrade their existing equipment for better performance and durability. With dimensions of 12 by 12 by 6 inches, it's a compact yet powerful option that offers reliable performance year-round. So, if you're in need of a tire that combines strength, reliability, and smooth performance, the Rotary number 5945 lawnmower tire is definitely worth considering. Whether you're mowing a small backyard or a large field, this tire will get the job done efficiently and with ease. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.